If you're looking to buy a home, have you thought about negotiating with the power of cash? Cash buyers are 4 times more likely to win in a multiple offer situation and receive on average an 11% discount over finance buyers. Here's how the cash buyer program works. Complete the online approval process to become a cash buyer. Once approved, go shopping with the power of cash. We'll make a cash offer on your behalf with no financing or appraisal contingencies and close in as little as 10 days. Once your loan is ready, we sell the house to you for the same sales price and you move in. Shop, negotiate, and write offers with the power of cash.